Good morning, student. I am going to continue the chapter BRS, and today I will solve question number 9. You can see the question, and this is my lecture number 37A. In my previous lecture, I have solved a question when debit balance of cash book is given and when credit balance of cash book is given. So this topic is based on when debit balance of passbook is given. So today on the basis of debit balance of passbook given, it will be just opposite of cash book balance. So let us see the format first. This is your question number 9, and this is particulars plus item minus item. Now question is saying passbook of Kamal showed a debit balance of rupees 10,500 on 31st January 2020. Prepare bank reconciliation statement from the following information. So I will write BRS of Kamal as on 31st January 2020. Now debit balance of passbook is given 10,500. So I will write balance as per passbook debit, and debit balance of passbook show negative balance, as you know. So I will write it in minus item 10,500. Now first point is saying check amounting to 10,400 were drawn on 28th January, of which check for 8,600 were encashed up to 31st January. It means check drawn but not encashed. We can say check issued but not present for payment. So a statement will be check drawn but not encashed. But how much amount? It will be 10,400 minus 8,600, because question is saying 10,400 were drawn, of which check 8,600 were encashed up to 31st January. It means remaining out of 10,400 not encashed. So I will write remaining balance 1800, and it will be in minus side because passbook is opposite. Passbook records opposite of cashbook. When passbook balance is given for a starting of BRS, then I will write check issued but not present for payment in minus item. So it will record in minus item 1800. Now student, second point. Second point is saying a wrong credit of 400 was given by the bank. So a wrong credit given by bank, then our passbook will increase. In this case, we have also increased to our cash book. So I will record in plus item. But according to passbook, it will be opposite. So I will record in minus item, and I will write a wrong credit given by bank. It will record in minus side 400. Now student, third point is saying interest on overdraft rupees 500 and bank charge 150 were not recorded in cash book. We all know about it. When bank charge interest on overdraft and for other thing, it will record in minus side according to cash book. But I am preparing BRS according to passbook, so it will record just opposite, and it will be in plus item. So I will write interest on overdraft and bank charge not recorded in cash book, and including both the charge, it will be 650. So I will write in plus side. Now student, fourth point is saying a check of 1300 debited in cash book was omitted to be banked. Now fourth point, check debited but omitted to send into bank. Now student, when we debited a check in our cash book, it will increase our cash book, but passbook did not increase. So we have to deduct from our cash book, and according to cash book balance, I will write it in minus item, but here passbook balance is given, so I will write it in plus side 1000 300. Now fifth point is a check for 3,340 was credited in passbook but was omitted to be recorded in the cash book. So I will write a check credited in passbook but not recorded, or but omitted to be recorded. When bank credited in our passbook, so it will increase, and we have also to increase in cash book. So I will write in plus item according to cash book balance, but here passbook balance I will write just opposite in minus side. So 340 rupees will be in minus side. Now student, next thing is given. Check amounted to 16,700 were deposited for collection, of which check 5,200 were credited by the bank in February. It means check deposited but not collected by bank. I will write sixth point. Check deposited but not collected by bank. 16,700 minus 5,200. Remaining balance will be 11,500 in plus side. We all know, according to cash book balance, check deposited but not collected by bank is showing minus item, but according to passbook it will be just opposite, so it will be in minus item. Now I will add both these sides, so it will be 150 and 6, 11 and 1. It will be, now one mistake has occurred, student. Question is saying, sixth point, check amount to 16,700 were deposited for collection, of which check for 5,200 were credited by bank in February. It means 5,200 were not credited in January, only 5,200. So I will write 5,200 only, and I will not deduct from 16,700. So now amount will be, a student, total 7,150 in plus item, and in minus item it will be 13,040. And now I will deduct, then it will be balance as per cash book, and it will be in minus side, 5890. It means credit balance of cash book. Now next question, question number 10. Student, question number 10 is saying prepare bank reconciliation statement on 31st March 2020 from the following particulars. First overdraft as per passbook 4260 as on 31st March 2020 is given. As you know, student, this is particular and plus item and minus item. So I am going to solve it in short. Balance first. In first statement, balance of overdraft passbook given, so it will be in minus side 4260. Overdraft, so our negative balance as per passbook. Now check amounting to 4500 were paid into bank, but check of 1580 was credited in April. So only 1580 was not credited up to 31st March. So we will write only 1580. So in second statement, question is saying check amounting 4500 were paid into bank but not credited. It means a statement will be check deposited or check paid but not credited or collected by bank, and according to cash book it will be minus item, but according to passbook it will be in plus item. So I will write in plus side 1580. Now third statement is saying bank charge 500 on interest on overdraft. We all know when bank charge interest on overdraft, then it will be in minus item according to cash book, but here passbook balance is given, so it will be in plus side and plus item. Now fourth point is saying check were issued 10,400, of which check 7,500 were encashed till date. It means only said out of 10,400, 7,500 were encashed up to 31st March. Then how much amount not encashed? So we can say check issued but not present for payment, or we can also say check issued but not encashed. So it will be 10,400 minus 7,500. So in fourth case it will be 10,400 minus 7,500, and amount will be 2,900, and 2,900 will be in minus side because according to cash book I will write check issued but not present for payment in plus side, but according to passbook I will write just opposite of cash book, so it will be in minus side. Now student, fifth point is a check for rupees 1600 was debited in bank column of cash book, but it was omitted to be banked. So statement will be check debited in bank column of cash book, but it was omitted to be bank, and I have just solved such type of question, check debited in cash book and omitted to be banked. So according to passbook, you can see it will be in plus item, and I will also write 1600 in plus item. In fifth point, it will be plus item. Now student, last point is given. Passbook show credit for 1200 is representing direct deposit by a debtor in bank. So this will be related to a customer directly deposited in our bank account, and according to cash book, as you know, it will be in plus side, but according to passbook, I will write in minus side 1200. Now I will add separately. It will be 2000, 3680 in plus side, and in minus side it will be total 8360. Now I will deduct it, so it will be in a minus side because minus item is more than plus item. So balance will be 4680, and it will known as balance, or we can say overdraft balance as per cash book, and it will be CR balance of cash book. So this is the solution of question number 10, and now I will meet you with next video. Thank you very much.